dyna lle o'n i ar y dance floor yn, wel, dod â moves gore fi mas, a wedyn ni nath y boi ofyn I fi os o'n i eisiau mynd ar date wedyn, gofs I weud dwi'n briod. Grêt, ti'n gwybod? Na, methu, dwi'n briod. Ie, ond ie, unrhyw un sengl, mae'n gyfle gret I gwrdd y bobl, so dewch a'ch ffrindiau sengl tro nesaf.
Yeah.
You have absolutely no idea what's being said of you. You've been here for a couple of hours now and you're still struggling, bless you. You've been on that Welsh course for a couple of months now as well. That's clearly not going very well if you can't understand what they're saying. There's no point learning. You'll never understand what they're saying. You'll never, ever be one of them. Go on, ask them politely now if they can speak in English, because you don't understand, do you? All because of you.
Aha! O'n i'n meddwl taw ti Cai siarad Cymraeg oedd y problem.
Taff Man! Stay away. Your Welsh learning capabilities are no match for my powers of giving up, losing confidence and speaking English because it's easier.
O ie? Cymer hwn.
Ah! Ow, Taff Man, neud I dalu am hyn.
Kirsty, mae pobl ar y bwrdd ma yn siarad Cymraeg. Paid bod ofn, gofyn I bobl siarad yn ychydig yn arafach. Slowly does it. Mae pobl rigel yn mwynhau clywed pobl yn dysgu Cymraeg, ac fel arfer, maen nhw'n hapus iawn I helpu. Cofia, mae gofyn iddyn nhw siarad yn ychydig yn arafach yn well na gofyn iddyn nhw siarad Saesneg.
Diolch, Taff Man.
Taglis. Wrth ddysgu Cymraeg, mae'n bwysig iawn pid o gadael i'r jawl ar eich ysgwydd a little red devil on your shoulder a'ch perswedio chi bido siarad Cymraeg a throi'r Saesneg. Don't lose heart and don't give up trying. Daliwch ati I siarad Cymraeg.
Falle dy fod wedi ennill y frwydr hon, Taff Man, ond wneud I byth ennill y rhyfel. Un dydd fydd pawb yn siarad Saesneg achos fydd pawb, fel fi, yn cael siarad Cymraeg.